हेलो गाइस, आज हम पढ़ेंगे टेस्ट नंबर 10 रेलवे नर्सिंग परीक्षाओं के लिए प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन है, सॉल्व करेंगे। और सभी नर्सिंग परीक्षाओं में महत्वपूर्ण रोल अदा करेंगे। ये बार बार पूछे जाने वाले प्रश्न हैं। रेलवे नर्सिंग आरआरबी सुपरिटेंडेंट रिक्वायरमेंट एंड नर्सिंग ऑफिसर इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आरएमएल एसजीपीजीआई केजीएमयू लखनऊ नॉरसेट एएनएम जीएनएम त्रिपुरा सीएचओ आल एग्जाम प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन है। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से शुरुआत करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एनाफाइलेटिक शॉक इज ट्रीटेड विद विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ड्रग्स? ए एड्रेनालिन, बी प्रोप्रानोलोल, सी एनाल्प्रिल, डी डिगोक्सिन। इसका सही आंसर क्या है? दैट इज करेक्ट आंसर ए एड्रेनालिन। एनाफाइलेटिक शॉक को ट्रीट किया जाता है कौन सी ड्रग के साथ? एनाफाइलेटिक जब शॉक होता है उसमें कौन सी ड्रग यूज़ की जाती है, कौन सी ड्रग दी जाती है पेशेंट को? तो उसमें एड्रेनालिन ड्रग दी जाती है। इसका क्वेश्चन आंसर सही है ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, कंटिन्यूस बबलिंग इन वाटर सील चेस्ट ड्रेनेज कंसिडर्ड एज? ए नॉर्मल फाइंडिंग, बी सर्जिकल एम्फाइसेमा, सी एयर लीकेज इन सिस्टम, डी चेस्ट drain is out. That is correct answer C air leakage in system. Next question, question number 3. A client has been diagnosed with pernicious anemia. In planning care for the client, a nurse anticipates that the client will be treated with A thiamine, B iron, C vitamin B12, D folic acid. That is correct answer C vitamin B12. Question number 4. A 20 years old woman is being treated for injury sustained in an automobile accident. The patient has a central venous pressure CVP line in place. The nurse recognizes that CVP measurement reflect A cardiac output, B pressure in the left ventricle, C pressure in the right atrium, D pressure in the pulmonary artery. That is correct answer C pressure in the right atrium. Next question, question number 5. The client has undergone a thyroidectomy. The nurse monitors for sign of drainage damage of the parathyroid gland post-operatively. Which of the following would indicate damage to the parathyroid gland? A hoarseness, B tingling around the mouth, C respiratory distress, D neck pain. That is correct answer B tingling around the mouth. Question number 6. A patient returned from surgery. Which nursing diagnosis take priority at this time? A ineffective breathing pattern, B deficient fluid volume, C imbalanced nutrition less than body requirement, D diarrhea. That is correct answer A ineffective breathing pattern. Next question number 7. A client with status asthmatics is in severe respiratory distress. The nurse should maintain the client in which position? A sitting upright, B sideline, C supine, D prone. That is correct answer A sitting upright. Next question, question number 8. Volume of blood in liters pumped by heart in 1 minute. A stroke volume, B stroke index, C cardiac index, D cardiac output. That is correct answer D cardiac output. Next question number 9. palpable gallbladder in a jaundice patient due to biliary obstruction is called? A. Blumber's sign. B. Corvier's sign. C. Blumber's sign. D. Roger's sign. That is correct answer B. Courvoisier sign. Next question. Question number 10. Another name of for osteitis deformans. A. Porcine disease. B. Paget disease. C. Adult rickets. D. Scoliosis. That is correct answer B. Paget's disease. Question number 11. Practice of gaining sexual pleasure from watching other when they are naked engaged in sexual activity. A. Fetishism. B. Transvestism. C. Sexual sadism. D. Voyeurism. That is correct answer D. Voyeurism. Next question number 12. When a person is unable to cope with the natural process of development. A. Maturation crisis. B. Situational crisis. C. Advantageous crisis. D. Growth crisis. That is correct answer A. Maturation crisis. Next question. Question number 13. Intelligence quotient 55 to 70 indicates A. Mild intellectual deficiency. B. Moderate intellectual deficiency. C. Severe intellectual deficiency. D. Profound intellectual deficiency. That is correct answer A. Mild intellectual deficiency. Next question. Question number 14. Word meaning schizophrenia is A. Split mind. B. Split personality. C. Split thought. D. Split emotions. That is correct answer A. Split mind. Next question number 15. Depth of chest compression in adult CPR. A. 2.5 centimeter. B. 3 centimeter. C. 5 centimeter. D. 6 centimeter. That is correct answer C. 5 centimeter. 17. Question number 17. Percentage of oxygen delivered through red colored venturi mask is A. 35. B. 40. C. 50. D. 60. That is correct answer B. 40. Next question number 18. Carpal tunnel syndrome is compression of A. Radial nerve. B. Median nerve. C. Ulnar nerve. D. Metacarpal nerve. That is correct answer B. Median nerve. Question number 19. Felties syndrome is a complication of A. Osteoarthritis. B. Rheumatoid arthritis. C. SLE. D. Osteochondritis. That is correct answer B. Rheumatoid arthritis. Next question number 20. MSE means A. Mental screening examination. B. Mood screening examination. C. Mood status examination. D. Mental status examination. That is correct answer D. Mental status examination. Question number 21. Regular exercise is an example of which level of prevention? A. Primary prevention. B. Secondary prevention. C. Tertiary prevention. D. None of the above. That is correct answer A. Primary prevention. Question number next 22. Which is not a barrier method of contraception? A. Condom. B. Cervical cap. C. Copper T. D. Diaphragm. That is correct answer C. Copper T. Question number 23. The expected weight of a child at the age of 8 years is A. 20.5, B. 28.5, C. 30.5, D. 35.5. That is correct answer C. 30.5. Next question number 24. An informed consent given by a child below years of age is considered invalid legally. A. 7, B. 12, C. 15, D. 18. That is correct answer D. 18. Next question. Question number 25. The age group who are most at risk for stressful experience as a result of illness and hospitalization is A. Toddler, B. Preschooler, C. Schooler, D. Adolescent. That is correct answer A. Toddler. Question number 26. Giving other food and liquid is in addition to breast milk or non-human milk to an infant is A. Partial breastfeeding, B. Artificial feeding, C. Replacement feeding, D. Complementary feeding. That is correct answer D. Complementary feeding. Question number 27. According to WHO recommendation in COVID-19 pandemic, generally children age 5 years and below should wear which type of mask? A. No mask, B. Fabric mask, C. N95 mask, D. Triple layer surgical mask. That is correct answer A. No mask. Question number 28. The age at which children can localize pain is A. At birth, B. 1 year, C. 2 years, D. 3 years. That is correct answer B. 1 year. Question number next 29. A child having 18 kg weight is admitted with dehydration. What is the intravenous fluid requirement for 24 hours? A. 95 ml, B. 1400 ml, C. 1600 550 1650 ml, D. 2000 ml. That is correct answer B. 1400 ml. Question number 30. The most common cause of cardiac arrest in infants and young children is A. Anaphylaxis, B. Cardiac arrhythmia, C. Respiratory, D. Failure, C. Respiratory failure, D. Seizure. That is correct answer C. Respiratory failure. Question number 31. The most severe complication after fracture reduction in children is A. Osteomyelitis, B. Compartment syndrome, C. Non-union, D. Contracture. That is correct answer B. Compartment syndrome. Question number next 32. A child who is on immunosuppressive therapy can take live vaccine after time of stopping of suppressant drug. A. 1 week, B. 4 week, C. 8 week, D. 12 week. That is correct answer B. 4 weeks. थैंक यू। आज के लिए इतना ही। जय हिंद, जय भारत।